Hello and welcome to another beehiiv feature update. In this video, I'm going to be covering enhancements that we've made to our automations feature to make them even more performant, powerful, and useful than ever. Under the right tab, we're going to click on automations, which will take us to the familiar automations interface. If you want to create a new automation, you would click this button here. I've created an automation for this tutorial already, so I'm going to click into that and go to workflow. And now we'll see the existing workflow. The update today is that we've added two new features to the automations workflows that allow you to have users interact with your automations in different and exciting ways. The first one is we've added a new trigger for a status called unengaged. This takes users and looks at their sign up date and make sure that they've signed up, and basically looks at how many days they've gone without opens or clicks. And when they've hit this criteria, and the example that we're going to be doing in a second, it's with 60 days without opens or clicks, can be anything, they will then be triggered to enter this workflow. You would select days without clicks, opens, or either one, and that would be this new trigger. I'm going to go through how this workflow would work in detail in a moment. The other big update that we've made is adding this branching logic. Right now, as of this update, you can add this branch node, which will then allow you to use our logic builder to select different criteria and have it be a simple true, false, yes, no statement. So in this case, for an unengagement campaign, we would send the email and then see whether users clicked it or not, and then update their subscription status as such. But this can be used in a bunch of different ways other than re-engagement. We're really excited to see how people use this in the future. The attributes you can make these statements on are days without opens, days without clicks, days without opens or clicks, and then email, embed source, campaign, medium, channel, referring URL, and subscription tier. And we'll be adding more as time goes by. But this will add a bunch of fun, interesting ways that you can use automations outside of simple re-engagement campaigns, but you could use them for your different campaigns around like lead magnets and different types of more complicated lifecycle automations. And we'll be providing more guidance on examples of things you can do with that in the future. So getting into this, going through a demo of this re-engagement campaign as inspiration, we can go through here. We set the unengaged trigger, days without opens or clicks, to 60. And then the next step would be to wait 0 minutes. So as soon as that happens, they're going to be sent this email that says, should we remove you from our list? Just to give you an idea of what it looks like, it's going to have this link that we're going to ask them to click if they want to stay subscribed. If I go back here, the next step is I'm going to wait 3 days to give people time to click that link. And if they don't click that link, so days without clicks is greater or equal to 3. So basically, if you have not clicked this email within 3 days, you're going to go into this side of the branch. And as soon as that happens, 3 days after that send, this update subscription action will happen. And in this case, the action is going to be to unsubscribe them. So subscription status inactive. However, you have to use this for unsubscribe. You could also keep the user's status as active, but you could also then just change a custom field, for example. We also give you the power to automatically unsubscribe them. There you have it. That's a very simple automated unengagement flow that you can set up with this new functionality. The alternate functionality of adding branching logic is so wide-ranging and so powerful that it would just not be possible to cover even a fraction of use cases in a short video. But we're very excited for this feature, and we cannot wait to see what you build with these cool new functionalities. Thank you so much. Have a great day.